In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Kimi AI app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are troubled while installing this app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, just go to Google Play Store and open the app like this. Once you have opened, make sure you are logged in with your email before you download the app. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then just tap on this profile icon and go to settings, and from settings look for this option, network preferences. If you tap on network preferences, go to app download preference, and here choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and try to install your app. However, if you can't still download your app at this moment, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on your app, and then you should see this option for app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app information page. First, go to force stop to stop any background activities that Play Store might be running in the background, and then head to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally confirm by tapping on OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, go to Play Store. Now tap on search. So I'll search Kimi by name, and now we have Kimi AI here. If you tap on it, now I'll try to install and see if everything is okay. And look at that, I'm now able to download and install the app. However, at this point, if you can't still install, then you might want to check if you have enough space. And in case you don't have enough space, free up space on your smartphone by deleting files or apps that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install Kimi AI app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.